Okay, today we're going to do a quick little short video. I bought this online for like about $7. It didn't have any string in it. It's a nice little trim edger Twist-N-Edge weed eater. The nice thing about this one is you can push this button, turn the handle, and it's an edger. Turn it back, it's a weed eater. Unfortunately, I'm out of string. I have searched everywhere. I have gone through thousands of videos on how to change the string on one of these. Pull in, line the buttons, twist, counterclockwise, clockwise, grab the ring, pull, do this, do that. None of them work. I finally called the 800 number and got a hold of somebody that could actually find me a manual on this thing. So this is a model TE-15, and I'm going to show you how to change the string on it. Nothing super fancy like twist, align the dots, this, that, the other thing. You need one of these. Pair of pliers. Just grab the head with all your might. Don't worry about breaking it, because you won't. You'll probably have a harder time aligning with the pliers. Grab it and pull. Don't worry about it. It'll come out just like that. This one has little clamps in here that twist. When you push it in, they lock into this. You just need to grab it by the head and pull as hard as you can. This is for the TE-15. I don't know about the other ones. There are some. This is confusing because it has some lineups here, and it looks like, oh my gosh, you got to line these up. Nothing. That's nothing. That's just telling you where the string goes. Okay, once you've done that, put it down. Go to your local whatever store and buy yourself one of these. This is a .065, 100 foot. They say not to put more than 30 feet of twine into this unit, because if you put a bunch, then it won't, when you click it down to release some, it won't come out. It'll get stuck. Okay, so I bought the 100. And I'm going to go ahead and take about like 30 feet out. Looks like about 20. That's about 30. Okay. Cut it. Put it down. Now, if you look on the back of this, it tells you which way to wind the cord. And that's what these little things are on the top here. It's also designed to align it when you put it through the head, which I will show you that. But I'm just going to put it there to hold it. Now, this is a little bit on the worn side. Once you've got it in there, go ahead and start winding it up. That's the tricky part, is winding it up. Don't super tighten it. Just loosely put it in there. Well, there's going to be a better way to do that. Let me see here. There's no place to stick it in there. So we're just going to put it in and try it again. Wind it up. Just put it in there loosely. I'm not going to super tighten it, because if you super tighten it, when you push it down on the ground to release some string, it's just not going to want to come out. Here we are winding the nylon string. Like I said, it's like 30 feet of nylon. And I'm just loosely winding it. I'm not super tightening it or anything like that. Just every now and then I unwind it here. Once you've got like about a foot of string left, go ahead and stick it through one of these little holder things there. And I'm just going to trim this off. Now, once you've got that, find your hole. Okay, once you've found the hole, go ahead and stick your string through the hole. Get in there. Putting it through the hole is harder than it looks. and just push your head back in. Ta-da! Then, just for ease of operation, there's a little blade on here which will cut the string to size when you push it down. And that should do it. Plug your weed eater in. And don't worry about it because it'll cut itself to size. Just let her go. If it gives you a little bit of trouble, just cut it. Oops. That looks like I unplugged it or something. But anyway, that's the way to do it. She's now in, and you're ready to rock and roll. That's it for this one, the TE-15. Thank you. Bye. Just go ahead and trim it a little shorter than that, so it doesn't hit. It's got a little blade on it, so what it'll do is it'll cut the string as you go along. Then we apply power. Ooh. Oops. And okay, once you've got the string in, just size it up a little bit and cut it to size. Make sure it's not super long or it'll snap around. This little blade though will cut it to size. Once you've got that done, grab your handy dandy extension cord because this is a plug-in. Plug her in. Man, everything is like hard to do today. Alright. And we're good to go. And then give it a test try. That's it. Thanks for watching.